I am Ari Ramadan Nerdanta. Today we're diving into the knapsack problem, a fascinating challenge in optimization. Picture this: you have a knapsack of limited capacity and a variety of items with different weight and value. The goal to cleverly choose item to pack into the knapsack, maximizing its value without overloading it. The knapsack problem is a classic in computer science, exploring this decision making under constraints. We'll focus on one solution approach, the greedy algorithm. It makes local choice in hope saving the best overall result. But does it always find the optimal solution? That was we're here to discover. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the fundamental of the knapsack problem and dissect the greedy algorithm, its strengths, limitation, and practical application. Join me as uncover how this algorithm strike and balance between efficiency and optimal solution. Thank you for joining, and let's explore the knapsack problem and the greedy algorithm together. Background: the greedy algorithm for the knapsack problem is an approach that attempts to solve this problem by selecting items based on the most advantageous criteria at each step without considering long-term consequences. The knapsack problem is an optimization problem where is a knapsack with a certain capacity and there are several items with different weight and value. The goal is to select them items in such a way that the total weight does not exceed the capacity of the knapsack, while maximizing the total value of the select item. The greedy algorithm for this problem can be outlined as follows. Compute the value per unit weight for each item. Calculate the value per unit weight for each item using the formula value per unit value divide weight. Sort the item. Arrange the item based on the value per unit weight from highest to low. Select the item. Starting from the item with the highest value per unit weight, include as many of the items as possible in the knapsack until the knapsack capacity is filled. Solution: repeat the process until the knapsack capacity is reached or there are no more items that can be included. This algorithm assumes the selecting item with the highest value per unit weight at each step will provide the best overall solution. However, it's important to note that this algorithm does not always guarantee an optimal solution for every case, especially when items have complex variation in weight and value. When items have the same weight and the greedy algorithm is used, the result is often optimal. However, in case where item has significantly varying weight and value, the greedy algorithm does not always yield the optimal solution. To solve the knapsack problem with an assurance of optimal solution, dynamic programming approach such as dynamic programming algorithms are commonly employed to compare all possible combinations of items. Select the most optimal one. Definition: the greedy algorithm for the knapsack problem is a heuristic approach used to solve a combinatorial problem known as the knapsack problem. This problem is divided into two main types: the 0-1 knapsack and the continuous knapsack. 0-1 knapsack. In this problem, there is a knapsack with a specific capacity and a set of items that have value and weight. Each item can either be taken once or not taken at all. The objective is to maximize the total value of the item that can be placed in the knapsack without exceeding its capacity. Continuous knapsack. In this problem, the knapsack has a certain capacity and a set of items with value and weight. Unlike the 0-1 knapsack, in the continuous knapsack, each item can be divided into smaller parts to be put into the knapsack. This means that items do not have to be taken as a whole. Explanation: the greedy algorithm for the knapsack problem operates by selecting items based on the greedy criteria at each step, aiming to achieve an optimal solution overall. This approach selects items greedily, such as those with the highest value to weight ratio or price per unit weight, at each stage of item selection for inclusion in the knapsack. Suppose the knapsack with a capacity of 50 kg and several items with their respective value and weight. In this case, the greedy algorithm will choose item based on the highest value per unit weight. For example, the order of item based on their value per unit weight could be A, B, and then C. The greedy algorithm will include item of 5 times total weight of 50, resulting in a total value of 305 times 60. Advantage and limitation. The advantage of the greedy algorithm lies in its simplicity and speed in solving problems. However, there are cases where the greedy algorithm does not provide an optimal solution for the knapsack problem. This occurs because of its greedy nature, considering only the locally based criteria at a step without considering all possible combinations of items. To ensure an optimal solution, their approach like dynamic programming are often required, especially for more complex knapsack problems with specific constraints. Certainly, here is the closing text for presentation of the knapsack problem. As we draw our journey to a close today, let's recap this intriguing exploration into understanding the knapsack problem and the greedy algorithm. From grasping the fundamental understanding of the knapsack problem to delving deep into the greedy algorithm approach, we've witnessed how this strategy can serve as efficient solution in certain scenarios. However, we've also highlighted the greedy algorithm does always guarantee an optimal solution in every case. It's important to remember the realm of algorithm optimization is dynamic, where each problem bears its own complexity. Discovering the best solution often involves employing modern approach. Let's take away from this presentation a deeper understanding that when faced with challenge, there are very few strategies to consider. The greedy algorithm is just one of the many tools available at our disposal. Thank you for taking the time to join the presentation. May the knowledge gained serve as foundation for a deeper understanding in the realm of optimization and decision making. Until we meet again, thank you for your attention.